Hey, what's up, gang? And today, we are back with another unboxing video for once. Finally, my God, it took long enough for me to get another model car. This time we don't have a Bugatti, we don't have a Lamborghini, but we have got the Nissan GT-R35, and we're gonna be opening this up. I know this one's a lot smaller than my other ones, but do we give a fuck? I say no. A model car is a model car, no matter the size or shape. We are just gonna open this right up right now. So if you guys want to see more of these, I'll tell you where I got this as well. And yeah, so real quick before I start this, I'm gonna tell you guys where I got this. So we went to the Peterson Museum today. Little shop. Long story short, went in the shop and just bought this. There's a whole thing of model cars, and pretty satisfied with what I got. My friend Ethan got a really cool one, even cooler one than mine, I'd say. And yeah, let's just crack this open. And I took videos of the museum and stuff at Rodeo Drive and all that stuff today, so I'll be posting some of that stuff as well tomorrow maybe. So let's do this. Let's crack this baby open. Okay, let's just keep crack that open, and here we go. We are GT-R, almost out of package. Box, yeet. I can't do this on my desk right now because my lighting was really bad, but let's just, okay, so let's just keep cutting this, and then we'll put this here. And once I get more model cars, I will do a collection of the big ones and the small ones, just of everything that I have collected. And yeah, so that would be fun. I just need to collect some more, and hopefully it should complete my Hopefully it should complete my collection here. One problem here. We does not have a screwdriver. I will be right back, guys. Give me 1 second. Okay, guys, we are back. No, you can't see me, but we've got screwdriver. Here we go. Oh God. Yo, goofy ass line salad. Damn, this man is dissing his ass. Damn, this is crazy. This is actually pretty sick. Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. Okay, so as you can see, we're struggling to get this thing open. Okay, sorry guys, I haven't been talking, I'm just trying to get this thing out right here. Screw is out. Alright, there we go. Damn, I'm so sorry that took forever, guys. We got this stuff off. And GT-R is out of the box. Okay, I think we're gonna need scissors for this so we don't break it. That's why we got scissors right here. Dude, I'm watching these videos where it's like the President's Point Wii Sports that is the funniest shit ever, bro, I swear. What? Ass juice. Jesus. And there we go, guys. There is the GT-R. Unfortunately, we cannot lift the hood. We got a nice big old wing in the back with the lights. And we got golden rims right here. And this thing is stamped to the max. It is touching the bed. I can show you as well down here. Ow. Oh yeah, you can lift up the hood. Okay. As you guys can see, there's like nearly zero clearance down there for me to work this. And here we go. And look, so you can open the hood right here. There's the thing in there, like the engine and stuff, the engine bay. Open that. Can open the doors. And yeah, there we go, guys. You can hear this thing rubbing against the wheels. But yeah, there we go. Here is the new 2023, I think, stamped not 2023, sorry, 2020 GT-R 35. Looking pretty good, and we're putting this with the rest of my babies. So if you guys do enjoy this and want more more videos like this, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for my post notifications. We are so close to 400 subscribers, I think it is. And yeah, I really hope you guys did enjoy, like I said, and I will try my best to get some more of these. And I will see you guys in the next video very soon. Peace out, guys.